How to use green coffee for weight loss for healthy living. 1. Grinded green coffee beans. Buy a pack of best green coffee beans for weight loss and grind them at home. You can choose organic green coffee beans for weight loss, as are pure. Use these ground coffee beans to prepare a cup of coffee. Make sure you don't add any sugar or artificial sweeteners to it, as they contain fats and carbohydrates that will create a barrier to your weight loss goal. 2. Add other weight loss supplements. Green coffee tastes very different from the standard coffee. Some people might not like their taste. In that case, you can add other ingredients that help boost your metabolism and speed up weight loss. 3. Avoid sugary snacks. Sugar is linked to weight gain and accumulation of body fat. If you want to see results, then you need to cut down your sugar intake. If you have sweet tooth, then go for natural sweeteners. For snacking, prefer green vegetables, salads, cherry tomatoes, nuts, and seeds. 4. How about adding mint leaves? Mint leaves contain some weight loss properties. Moreover, they have a delectable flavor and unavoidable fragrance. Mint leaves will also help to detoxify your body. 5. Combine it with turmeric. We all know that turmeric is a medicinal herb. Add turmeric powder to your coffee and let it steep for a few minutes to get better results. Turmeric contains some anti-inflammatory properties that promote weight loss. It boosts your metabolism and insulin level. This way, you can speed up your weight loss. 6. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. No weight loss supplement can help you if you continue to eat unhealthy food and have a lazy attitude. To lose weight, you need to exercise and eat healthy. 7. Get some cinnamon flavor. Cinnamon is not only a flavorful spice, but has properties that help in lower blood pressure, improve metabolism, boost insulin function, regulate blood sugar level, and control cholesterol. Keep a single stick of cinnamon soaked in a cup of water overnight, and add green coffee to it in the morning.